And we are back again for another experiment. So here we are in experiment number 9 using the SOR gate or XOR gate. So the materials we needed are our source that have output of 5 volts, then our breadboard experimenter, then a one piece of 74LS86 or the XOR IC, and the 4 pieces 1 key ohms resistors and the solid hookup wires. So what is the XOR gate? So it's an exclusive gate that produces logic high output only when its two inputs are not of the same value. If input bits are composed of odd number of logic high 1, this gate offers a very useful function in digital electronics. It uses implement various logic applications. The symbol truth table is so when we say, for example, we have two input A and B. So if there is 0 input, the output will be 0 only. If input 1, the output will be high or 1. And if the input is 1 and 0, the output also 1. When two inputs are the same, the output will be reverse. So for example, input A is 1, input B is 1, the output is 0, the same as 0. If two inputs are 0, the output is also 0. The output will be high if the two inputs are not the same. So here, let's make the theory of XOR gate true. We're gonna use now. Are you seeing the screen? We're gonna make our logic. When we high the D0 if lit up the LED 1 and LED 2, LED 3. This is because when the LED 1 is connected to D0, so when we switch it on, it light up automatically. Then in the XOR gate 1, the logic is correct. When we switch D0 to high, the D1 is low. So it means that the output will be high or 1. So the LED 3 is lit up. Next. We off the LED and on the LED 2. The same scenario happens from the D0. When we on D1, LED 2 is also on, and same as usual, LED 3 is on. Next, when we on the LED 3, 3 LEDs on. That is because when we on the D2 is on, the D3 is off. So the output of the LED pin 8 LED 4 will be high. So for example, we on D3, all output will be low, so because they are shared connections. The same in 5. But in 5, only LED 5 and 6 on. Because 5 is high, but the D4 is low. So the output is low. 0, 1. And the output of the D4 LED is low, but the output of LED 5 and 6 are high. When we on LED 6, when we on D5, only the LED 6 on, because the D4 is off and the D5 is high, just like the XOR gate. What if we on the 10001 here, on this when we make high all the switches, only LED 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5 are on. And that's how it works. The XOR gate. The XOR gate will open when there is only one not have the same output. So for example, input A is high but input B is low. That means that the output is high. For further explanation, the XOR gate produces a logic high output only when two inputs are not the same value, or its input bits is composed of odd numbers of logic high. And that's it. That is the XOR gate. This is experiment number 9. Thank you.